6 Best Cooling Foods for Summer. Here are a few cooling foods that help beat the summer heat. 1. Bananas. Bananas, which are rich in fibers and nutrients, help in removing the heat from the intestines. They remove the toxins from the body, and hence are very beneficial for the body. Eat a banana every day after meals in the summers. It also helps reduce nausea. 2. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and has a cooling effect on the body. It protects the body against the harmful effects of the sun. You can eat Indian gooseberry every day. You can also extract its juice, and have the juice on a regular basis. 3. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have very high water content, and hence keep the body and skin hydrated. They have a soothing effect on the digestive tract. You can eat raw cucumbers as salads daily, especially in the summers. You can also grate the cucumber, and to it add a salad dressing made up of yogurt, sugar and salt. 4. Corn. Corn contains fibers, magnesium, folate, thiamine, vitamin C, etc. and helps in keeping the body energized in the summer, and hence is a must in your list of foods to beat the summer heat. You can simply boil the corn, and add a dash of salt and lemon juice, and have this for lunch in the summer months. It is tasty and healthy, and keeps your stomach full. 5. Cardamom. This spice helps in detoxifying, and helps in cooling down the body. Add cardamom powder to tea in your daily cooking, especially in the summers. 6. Mushrooms. Mushrooms have several nutrients and minerals, and it has a cooling effect on the body, especially cremini mushrooms. Hence, make mushrooms a part of your summer diet. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.